In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix application did not respond Midjourney. If you've tried to generate images and the bot just stays quiet or shows application did not respond, don't worry. This usually points to a few common causes that are easy to fix. First, the most frequent reason is that Midjourney's servers are overloaded or temporarily down for maintenance. When traffic spikes, the bot can fail to reply even though nothing is wrong on your end. The simplest fix is to wait a minute or two, give it 1 to 5 minutes, then try your prompt again. You can also switch to a different Midjourney channel like a #newbies XXX room where the queue might be lighter. This often gets your request processed faster once the service catches up. Next, make sure you're on an active paid plan. If your subscription has expired or was paused, the bot won't respond. The quickest way to check is to type subscribe in any Midjourney channel. That will show your plan status and renewal options. You can also confirm by visiting your billing page at https://www.midjourney.com/account. If your plan isn't active, renewing it should restore responses right away. If you're using Midjourney on a private Discord server, the bot might have been removed or never added. In that case, re-add it. Head to the official community at https://discord.gg/midjourney to ensure you're in the right place. Then add the bot again from https://www.midjourney.com/appos. You'll need the appropriate Discord permissions to add bots to your server. Sometimes the issue is permissions inside Discord. If the bot isn't allowed to post in a channel, it can fail silently with no message. Check the channel settings and make sure bots are allowed, send messages is enabled, and embed links is turned on. Without embed permissions, Midjourney can't display image results correctly. Also, remember that Midjourney doesn't work in direct messages. The imagine command won't generate images in DMs. Always use it in the official Midjourney Discord server or in any server where the Midjourney bot has been properly added and has permission to speak and embed links. Finally, sometimes a specific prompt just causes the bot to crash or fail to pass. If everything else looks fine, simply resend the prompt. If it still fails, simplify it. Remove extra symbols, trim very long text, or break complex ideas into shorter phrases, and try again. Follow these checks in order, and you'll typically resolve the application did not respond issue in just a few minutes.